Long days, longer nights, fast approaching deadlines with limited resources. From iteration to validation. To then have to do it all again. Why? Because creating an unmatched touchscreen experience takes time. But with Crank software, you now have more power in your hands to get your products to market quicker than ever before. Crank Storyboard GUI design software enables teams to create GUIs that people will actually love to touch. Easily import content directly from the design with rich animation. All while development and validation continues to happen in tandem. From a small footprint microcontroller to multiprocessor platforms with 3D GPUs. Storyboard was made to help create UIs 100% optimized for embedded systems. Now, your sleek, high-performance touchscreen is on budget and released to market faster. With Crank software, exceeding the expectations and reshaping the experience of touchscreen technology starts with you.